Now, for using technology, our first equation is already in y equals mx plus b form. So what we're going to do is rearrange the second equation, and what we're going to have to do is isolate y on one side of the equation just as we've done before. But I'm going to take a different approach because the easiest way to isolate y on one side of the equation is just to add 2y to both sides. So this will be our first step. We could instead subtract 6x and add 2 to both sides if we wanted to, but and then divide by -2. But we're going to, this way is a little bit easier. And so the right side of this equation, I'm going to switch over to the left side of the next line, and 0 plus 2y is 2y, and 6x minus 2y plus 2y simplifies to be 6x minus 2. So now we're going to divide both sides by 2, and when we do that, 2y divided by 2 is y, and 6x divided by 2 is going to be 3x, and -2 divided by +2 is -1. So now I want you to notice that we have the same equation that we did before. So y equals 3x minus 1 and y equals 3x minus 1. So since we have identical equations, it's going to produce the same line. So these two equations are identical, so we're going to have the two lines laying on top of one another, and in that case there is going to be an infinite number of solutions. So for the next question, what I'd like you to do is graph the given relationships. We have two fitness clubs. Club Fit charges $120 as an annual fee plus $25 per month, and Fitness Club Hop charges $200 a year, or that's what the annual fee means, plus $5 per month. So what I'd like you to do is now try and identify what the equations are. So first of all, if we look at Club Fit, they charge $120 per year plus $25 per month, and we're going to say then we've got two variables and we've got to define them both. One is the cost of attending the fitness club, and the other is the number of months that you are attending the fitness club. So the more months you attend, the more money you're going to be charged. So our two variables then are cost and number of months. So what I'm going to do now is write an equation, and the equation is going to be C is equal to 25m plus 120, and I put this in y equals mx plus b form, which means that the cost is equal to $25 times the number of months you attend plus $120 for your annual fee. So the other equation for Club Hop is going to be $200 for your annual fee plus $5 per month. And so your equation then is going to be C equals 5m plus 200. And what I'd like you to do now is use Geometry Sketchpad or sheet of graph paper in order to graph these relationships on the same grid.